Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize the link sticker tags added to the Instagram story. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps, and let's say I want to upload this story with the link that I added. So first I'm going to add the link by clicking on the sticker icon at the top. Scroll down and here link, click on the link feature. Now just paste the link that you want to add, and if you want to customize the sticker text, just click on this customize sticker text feature. Here just write what you want. For example, click here like this and click on done, and just like that the sticker will be shown with the text that you write like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.